Hi everyone, it's Kathy here. This week, the 5 to 12-year-olds will find in their Craft and Go kit the supplies to make 2 crafts. This week they'll be making a Chinese New Year decoration, which is decorating our fish's home right now, as well as the supplies to make a Valentine card. So please keep watching to see the supplies that will be in your kit, as well as instructions on how to make both of these crafts. Enjoy the craft!